Claim: did Muhammad Yunus say that he will separate seven sisters from India's clutches? Fact check. The claim is going viral on social media. Recently, a viral post has claimed that Muhammad Yunus, Bangladesh's chief advisor, has commented on freeing the seven sisters from India. Facebook user MD Abdul Qiyam made such a claim with the caption in Bengali, Sebehna sistersa arthat bharatera ti raja amadera, egulo achire bharatera kabala theke mukta karabo daktara unusha. View the post here. Fact check. Truth. The claim is false. Muhammad Yunus did not make any such statement, and there are no credible reports to support it. While Yunus has previously commented on the seven sisters, he did not say anything about freeing them from India. Fact check details. Digit Eye India investigated the claim and found it to be false. There are no direct statements or quotes suggesting that Muhammad Yunus, Bangladesh's chief advisor, has spoken about freeing the seven sisters from India's clutches. Yunus further added that it will be a volcanic eruption everywhere around us and in Myanmar, and it would be a bigger problem because a million Rohingyas are in here. Below, view a section of the report. View this section from the report here. View a section from the report here. However, Yunus' statements as mentioned in various reports do not imply that he wanted the seven sisters, the seven northeastern states of India, are theirs, and soon they will be freed from India's clutches, and also no hint of territorial claims were found in his comments. Claim: Muhammad Yunus, Bangladesh's chief advisor, has said that he will soon free the seven sisters, the seven northeastern states from India's clutches. Conclusion: the claim is false. Muhammad Yunus did not make any such statement, and there are no credible reports to support it. While Yunus has previously commented on the seven sisters, he did not say anything about freeing them from India. Rating: totally false. Thank you for visiting us. For more videos, subscribe to our channel Digit Eye India.